approaching Mitchell, and well, south of Mitchell. Just barely legal as far as clearance it goes. River. Pretty wide, pretty wet, still. He's going down just like it took video of it earlier. Pause it for a second as we go by and then pick it up as we get further on. Down below is one of those great examples of being able to see kind of where the river was. So you're kind of back and forth, meandering. Then as you look out, being able to see where it takes in its whole floodplain, it's kind of original boundaries that it had when it was being fed by the glaciers receding.
Lincoln County traffic, clear mile 69 Golf Pop is a left base for runway 34 of Lincoln County.
By legal, I meant we're just outside of the protected zone for those aircraft coming in off of an IFR clearance into a VFR airport. So it's a Class E underneath that veil on the sectional map, and when conditions are met, you're not supposed to fly into it unless you have a special VFR, and which is essentially permission from the IFR or ATC, the controlling center, to say, yeah, there's no other traffic coming in, you won't be running into anybody. So we got our ears out, we're listening for something that might be coming out of the clouds and landing into Mitchell, and so fine, safe, but still an adventure. Still praying for everybody that's really afflicted by all these floods. We're going to pick some up over at Renner, just north of Sioux Falls and Renner on up to Flandreau. It's changed in a couple days. Until next time.